Hello everyone and welcome to today's question. In this question we have 5 divided by 5 divided by 5 divided by another 5. So when we follow the PEMDAS rule, we are going to realize that division has equal priority. So we must solve strictly from left to right as we always do. So 5 divided by 5, let's take it one after the other. This gives us 1. And now we have 1 divided by 5. You see, this gave us 1. So that 1 divided by this 5. And now we get what? 1 out of 5. Let's move forward. Now we have 1 out of 5 divided by this last 5, which we all know that we can rewrite it as 1 over 5 times another 1 over 5. And we can get 1 out of 25. So our final answer for 5 divided by 5 divided by 5 divided by 5 is 1 out of 25. Thanks for watching. Bye.